In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Google form. If you want to make your form more engaging or give people extra context before they answer a question, adding a video is a really useful option. Google Forms lets you embed a YouTube video directly into the form so viewers can watch it without leaving the page. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a few moments. To begin, open your Google form. Make sure you're in the form editor where you can make changes to the form rather than just previewing it. Once you're there, look over to the toolbar on the side of the form. This is where you'll find the options for adding different types of content like questions, images, and videos. Next, click the Add Video icon. This is the icon that looks like a video symbol with a play button on it. When you click it, a window will open that allows you to search for or paste a YouTube link. Since we already know which video we want to use, the fastest method is to paste in the video's URL directly. Now paste the YouTube video URL into the field provided. Make sure it's a valid YouTube link because Google Forms uses YouTube for this feature. If the link is correct, the form should be able to recognize the video and prepare it for insertion. This is a good time to double check that you've copied the full link correctly, especially if the video doesn't appear right away. After that, press enter on your keyboard. This tells Google Forms to load the video associated with the link you pasted. In a moment, you should see the video appear as a selectable result. If it takes a second, that's completely normal. Once the video appears, click on it to select it. This step is important because it confirms exactly which video you want to add to the form. Before moving on, take a quick glance at the thumbnail and title to make sure it's the correct one. Then click Insert. As soon as you do, the video will be added directly into your Google form. From there, you can position it where you want within the form and continue editing the rest of your content as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Google form. This is a simple way to make your form more interactive. Whether you're sharing instructions, educational content, or a short introduction,